So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So hey guys, I'm arrived with a new MLM plan, that is Xpert Money. Welcome to Xpert Money. As you can see here, friends, you have already visited the website Xpert Money and you can see more information from this website. Okay, so next bro, see about a section here of the company Xpert Money, and here is our mission and vision as you can see in the screen. Next phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, that is not at all. And here here friends, you can register from 500 rupees, that is basic package. From 500 rupees you will register, then you will get 5000 rupees in 100 days. If you will register from 2500 rupees, so you will get 25000 in 100 days. If so, here is too many packages for registration. As you prefer, you can register in any package. So here you can see income opportunity. First is share bonus, that is 10% daily. Second is upgradation daily bonus, that is 10 to 15% daily. And third is level income on daily basis share bonus. And fourth is weekly income. So as you can see here friends, share bonus is if you buy package of 500, that is basic package, for 100 days, so you will get 5000. If you will get that package from 200 days, so you will get 12.5% daily, means 12,500. And you will upgrade the package from 365 days, so you will get 15% daily, that is 27,375 days rupees. So here as you can see, upgradation daily bonus. Upgradation, if you upgrade your ID from 2500, you will get 10% on your main wallet. If you upgrade from 5000, you will get 12.5% of your main wallet. If you upgrade from 10,000, you will get 15% from your main wallet. Here as you can see level income. And first level you will do one direct, then you will get 5%. In second level you do one direct, then you get 4%. In third level you will do one direct, then you will get 3%. In fourth level you will do one direct, then you will get 2%. Here you can achieve many earning from this level income. So here friends, weekly bonus is like that. That is, if you do 10 direct, you will get 5% weekly. If you will do 25 direct, you will get 10% weekly. If you do 50 direct, you will get 20% weekly. If you do 100 direct, you will get 40% weekly. Here as you can see, friends, reward income. Like if you have a business of 50,000 in first leg, so you will get a mobile phone, Android phone, or 5,000 rupees cash. If you will do 2,50,000 business in business, then you will get a laptop or 20,000 cash. If you do 10 lakh business, you will get Royal Enfield or 1 lakh cash. If you will do 25 lakh business, then you will get a car. From here you can achieve anything you want to just do here work and a smart work. Here you can see as franchises income, 5% extra greater amount in Indian rupees, that is 40,000 rupees, and 10% extra greater amount, that is 80,000 rupees in Indian rupees. As you can see here, he is accepted rupees and drones. As you can see here, term and condition, minimum withdrawal is only 100 rupees. Daily withdrawal any time you can withdraw from here. 10% charge on withdrawal amount will be credited instantly on your bank account. 1ID to 1ID fund transfer you can do in 24/7, and you should join one direct member to withdraw money. So I hope guys you will like the video, and if you new in this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.